Hi everybody, it's John again. I got green bean here. I can't really see too good. Should be right over there, right there. I got my polarized glasses on, so I can't really see the screen too well. But so this is the car show for the Backyard Outlaws in Powhatan County, Virginia. So I think I'd show y'all a little bit. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all some, but. Clean little Nova, LS powered. LS is alright. You know, they do alright, but I'm just an old school guy. I'm not saying I wouldn't use one, but that's if I couldn't find what I wanted or build what I wanted. Clean though. Nice color paint. Paint is like real deep looking. Real nice paint job on it. Oh yeah. What year that thing is. 1944. Got a nice color purple on it too. 350 engine. Another LS swap. Monte Carlo, don't know the year. Let me see. 72 Monte Carlo, LS swap. LS swap seems to be the thing for a lot of people. Not quite for me though. Old Mustang. Got the old Ford motor in. Got the Ford motor in. 69. 69 coupe. I guess where it starts transitioning to a kind of a weird body style. The back end of it's just kind of weird to me. I'm not a Ford guy though. You know, those of y'all that Ford guys, maybe y'all love that thing. But wait a minute, if you're Ford guys, what are you looking at my channel for? Just kidding. I don't care who looks at my channel. Hey, they're all. It's all cool to see them out here, no matter what they are. Even the old, what they say, rice burners. Yep, I enjoy them all, man. High performance racing. Don't care what it is, man. Just get out there and get it. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty cool. Eco Boost. I don't know nothing about this thing to tell you what engine's in it. I don't know if it's a turbo setup or what. They got some awards on it. This thing's almost the color of my bike. A little more yellow though. It's pretty cool. Alright, who knows something about the DS18s? I said, who knows about the DS18s? I'm thinking I'm the only one running around with DS18s, man. I got them on my bike over here.
Oh, okay.
Man, them things are awesome. Amps, yeah, I like amp speakers. I got 4 more speakers to go on my bike. I got 4 on there. 2 6x9s and 2 6.5s that are crazy loud, decent little. I guess mid bass, so I don't have no woofer. I got 2 more of the same 6x9s and then 2 more 6.5s that don't have the tweeters because the tweeters on them ones are, man, and the horn tweeters, good God. But yeah, I saw a DS18. I said, damn, I've been like, I ain't seen no one else with it.
Yeah, I love it.
What the subs like? The subs good?
Nice.
Cool deal. Cool deal. Like the car, man. It's actually almost the color of my bike over there.
Oh, okay.
You got it's a tad more yellow, I think, than what that factory color is. Yes, sir. Got it clean. Got it clean. Yep. Cool deal.
Excuse me.
You're fine. Well, stick shift. Mustang. Got a little fire extinguisher down there. That's what I need to get putting green bean too. Need a fire extinguisher. Oh, he still got full of. He ain't doing no traction.
I know it get down I know. I remember when he changed over to that. But he drive that thing everywhere though. Yeah, that's what he took out there. What he get was a license by it. Where that fat cool at? What they doing in the shed, man? You can't come out and get a trophy in the shed.
Bert Jackson with that stuff. Yeah,
man, get out here.
Bring back.
You got a crate boat. You got a crate boat in this guy. Man, you gotta be kidding me. You gonna bring that car back this year. We just want to see it, man. I like it too. Every time I see it, man.
It's okay, man. I mean,
The lead right there, just cruise, man.
It's just clean, man.
my dad, my car could be better than that, but if my daddy was working on a 81 inch
What's
power.
wrong with
I spent a lot of money on that car.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you.
That's funny. These things is like you seen one, you seen them all. This be the one that I'd be thinking about here, looking at the wheel and tire setup. Except for it's got hard tires in the back, but real plain looking. But something about the front tires, I don't know what it is. It's got my attention a little bit. I don't know, who knows? Let's see this one. He got the little Mickey Thompson ET Streets. And why did it look like they mounted backwards? They are mounted backwards. What the hell? Pretty nice looking. Predator. Whose is that?
On the boom, they call him boom.
He got tires on backwards. It's like he done swap sides or something. The rotation, they're directional. They're mounted in the opposite direction of what they're supposed to do. It's like he got to swap side to side, yeah.
So it mess up the mileage on it?
No.
I think the main thing is if he happens to drive it in the rain, it's going to direct the water to the middle of the tire instead of out of it. You know, as far as traction, it might not change anything.
Oh yeah, we're here.
I'll come across them in a minute.
Yeah, you see, I just, you know, 'cause I run them on my truck too. I got slicks on it now, but if you look at the little side ones, when it's spinning this way, it takes the water and it's going down to the middle.
Oh.
So, but if you look, it's the same on that side. All they do is swap them side to side. So he might have had them off for whatever reason, and been in a rush and threw them on and not paying attention. Who knows?
I'll make sure I tell them.
But he might have done it just to have idiots like me speak on it. Who knows?
Where's the fourth speed? Oh, what is that, Sir Boss? That's
There's a lot of car shows I go to in this county and Cumberland County, and this one goes there a lot. I don't think I've seen that. Mustang GT, dime a dozen. Small block Chevy. Carlo. Headed threat. Okay. Well, let's swap on the thing. And the thing. Pretty clean setup. Probably sticks here. Little Chevy 2 coming in here, you see it? Chevelle. Go up here and see a few more of them. Then we'll get around to mine. How about the Riviera? No idea what year that thing is. 70s into the 80s somewhere. 85. Clean little Riviera. Got the big cup. The hell's this thing doing in here? Ford Bronco. A little late for me. I like the old big body collar. Pretty nice. Went spray can crazy. He went spray can crazy under the hood. 71, it's clean. And it's got a really dark green with the green interior, which is cool. I like it. I like it. I ain't too worried about the bends. With the old satellite. Pretty interesting looking. Look at him. See, they're looking at my bike just now. That's my bike, the green, yellow one. Stands out in the crowd. All the rest of them just look alike, even though they're different. 400. Honey. And we got the Hellcat deal here. Supercharged Hemi. Hellcat. I'd play with him with my truck from takeoff. These the bikes. See, the one got put theirs on platform. See that? Yeah, they're looking at my bike. See that? My bike. Look at my bike. Mine go get the attention. Yep. Here come the all-in riders. Oh boy. Yep. Another S10. Yep. See, we got these things here, food, the chilling spot. I'm gonna touch over here where mine's sitting at. I started a little late with the trucks. If you see back here in the background, you see the truck. I started over there, but I didn't cover them with my video. Yeah. So far we only got 3 vehicles in the race car section, and I got old Green Bean in the race car section. So maybe I'll give me a trophy. Yeah, luck have it. I'd be happy if I get a second place in this. Out of 3, you'll see. Let me flip it around again. So we got the Chevelle, 71 Chevelle. Got the 2 4s and the big ass meats up under it in the back. He ain't popping his hood, but he got enough hole here. You can kind of peek in there and see a little bit. Sitting in there pretty good. Then of course Green Bean here chilling, and cleaned up under the hood a little bit yesterday. Well, actually I sprayed it down last night with the gunk cleaner, and took and hosed it off today at the place while I was on the trailer, and got some of the grease and grime. I had a little oil leak. I'm gonna try to see where the oil leak coming from. So I sprayed it down, rinsed it off, and but there's Green Bean sitting here chilling. Still dirty. But then we got the Mustang here. Sounded alright. You know, who knows what he got in it. He ain't popping his hood either. So, but I'd say this is probably a good one on the street, because it ain't the typical clean little Mustang with a small block, whatever, or anything like that. And you can tell they don't really care. So, a little dirtiness, grease handprints and shit. That's kind of my style right there. I like that. I like it that, you know, they ain't scared to get it dirty. They ain't scared if it scratches. They get out there and get it with it probably. You know, who knows what's under the hood. I'd like to catch that, but I ain't caught it yet. And then you got the Backyard Outlaw crew, which is the people that's put it on. You see the Nova, the pickup, Vega, another Vega wagon, Camaro. That's their stuff. So, yeah. Anywho, well, I'm waiting on them to do this raffle ticket for a 65-inch TV. I bought a few tickets. We're gonna see what's going on with that. So maybe I'll come out here with a big ass TV. And it's a big TV, and I also did a 50-50 drawing. So we'll see what I can get out of that. So anyway, wish me luck, and I'll fill y'all in later.